Hey guys, let's dive into the three stocks under $10 to buy right now. First one is QuantumScape. Yeah, the chart looked a little bit wild and messy, but this stock is a buy. Here is why. This stock is picking up momentum and just reclaimed its 10, 25 and 50-week moving averages. That is a solid sign. So that is one of the reasons this stock is a buy. The buying range to watch is between 595 to 625 with a stop loss at 5.47. For option trades, check out the January 7 call. It is active and looking pretty attractive to me. So keep eye on this one, but do not forget your stop loss, which is around 5.47. Next up is quantum computing, another quantum stock, but this one is flying under the radar with almost no chart history until now. It's gaining momentum and recently reclaimed its 10-week moving average and making solid move over the past couple of weeks. On top of that, it's starting to form a tight weekly consolidation. That was, I believe, which is a very bullish signal. So this stock is a buy as of now. The buying range is between 1770 to 1860 with a stop loss is around 1630. For option trades, take a look at the January 25 call, which is trading around $1.60. This one is worth adding to your watch list and do not miss it out. Finally, we got Nokia. This stock is showing great strength lately and this is a buy as of right now. It recently tested its 50-week moving average, then the 25-week, and now it is trading around 10-week moving average, a solid bullish sign. Plus, it is trading under $5, which makes this stock more attractive in my opinion. So the buying range is anywhere between 4.45 to 4.68 with the stop losses around 4.10. For option trades, check out the January 5 call, which is currently trading around 2 cents, I believe. So it would be a solid play for quick gains. Keep an eye on this stock. It's worth adding to your watch list. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, as always, happy trading.